odd-shaped yellow globe down at the bottom of the video in the center is the light from the headlight of the Lectric e-bike XP 3.0. It doesn't have enough light, in my opinion, to be the only headlight on this e-bike, and so I've added two other bright bicycle headlights, and that makes it much easier to see when riding at night. Here I'm approaching Denton Highway, and I'm about to cross over, but remember that there is a lot of construction work and I will not be able to get through on the back road. So I'm going to take advantage of the light traffic and kind of merge onto Denton Highway headed north, but do not want to ride in the 40 mile per hour plus traffic, so I pull off into the parking lot of a lot of little strip centers that are along the road there, and I can go through the parking lot quite a ways so I can stay out of traffic. Bicycle helmet, I'm wearing my charcoal colored lens. I failed to remember to switch out my lens to the clear lens since I knew I'd be riding home in the dark. The two headlights that I bought for the bike that I have mounted to help me see better definitely help, but I'm not able to see the brake in the speed bumps as I approach them very easily, so I have to kind of make last second adjustments. But with this cold wind chill, I'm glad I have a face shield on my helmet. I also have 3 layers and a jacket, gloves. I didn't wear thermals under my pants, so my legs are a little cold, but not too bad. Mounted to my handlebar, so there's a little bit of instability there when I hit bumps. Probably need some kind of adjustment piece or rubber damper or something that I can put on there, because what's on there right now doesn't allow for perfect smooth video. An ice patch on the ground there to the left. That's just some of the leftovers from the ice storm that we recently had. Cross over the road here and get to another parking area. Kind of runs parallel to Denton Highway. Much safer than getting out there and riding at 20 to 25 miles an hour. Got a tailwind behind me, but still, those guys are going 40 plus, 50, some more than that. Now I have the option. I could turn left and go over a sidewalk that goes over the bridge, but it's kind of a cobbly brick sidewalk area, and from what I remember, there's lots of glass and debris up there that could cause me a flat, which I don't want to have in the dark in the cold. And so I think the lesser of the risks is going to be to go ahead and merge here onto Denton Highway, which I do. I have a long stretch of time where there is no one behind me coming up here, and I'm going to be able to make my break for it and get to the traffic light. Traffic light, I turned left, and now I'm on another major thoroughfare where the traffic is going 40 miles per hour plus. But I have decided that I'm going to take the chance and stay on the far right-hand side of the road. I have excess amount of red blinkers on the back. I have one on my helmet. And that is built into my helmet. Plus I added an extra blinker up there that I strapped in through the ventilation area on the back. I have two blinkers that I attached to the one of the cargo baskets, the rear cargo basket. And I also have on the Lectric e-bike standard equipment tail light. It's just a solid red light. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 red lights on the back side. And I'm going to count on these drivers seeing me and being kind. I am obeying the law. So I'm actually going faster than most bicyclists now. My average speed was 20 miles an hour coming home. But right in this little section here, I was going anywhere from 23 to 28 as I headed west. Some of you are wondering why I choose to ride an e-bike in freezing weather. Honestly, if I'm dressed properly, it's extremely enjoyable. I had no idea how much I would enjoy this e-bike for commuting back and forth to work or other little errands or visits. It's incredibly fun. I'm also a bicycle rider, just regular bikes and recumbent bicycles and recumbent trikes. And this one, it requires little effort, so it's not really a good bike for exercising. There's a lot of ghost pedaling involved. But that aside, I realize the fact that I'm not getting exercise from this bike. I get exercise from my other. So this one, I don't even know how to describe it. I rode a motorcycle for like 22 years. And those of you who have ridden motorcycles, you understand that freedom feeling that you get out on the road. Fantastic feeling. Well, after stopping riding motorcycles, I went to this e-bike, and I have a lot of flexibility. I get that same feeling of the freedom that I get out there. I don't have anywhere near the road rage that I would get and that I still have problems with when driving in my truck. I don't know what the phenomena is there. I'm really trying to get that under wraps. But when I get on the e-bike, it's like, man, there is no rage at all, ever. I have the freedom to get on the road, to get off the road, to take trails, to get on the grass. I have all this freedom to ride where I want, within limits, of course, within reason. And also, I have, I don't have to register the bike. I don't have to pay insurance on the bike. There's no license plate to display. There's a lot of advantages to riding an e-bike like this. So am I trying to promote this? Am I getting any compensation? Absolutely not. My YouTube channel is way too early. I don't have any monetization stuff going on at all. This is just for your information. I wish there were more people riding e-bikes out there, to be honest. Be a whole lot less traffic. In the DFW area, there is an incredible amount of thick traffic most of the time. This is a Sunday night late. It's cold and traffic is very sparse, which makes this ride even more fun. Anyway, I'll be signing off here in just a minute. I'm done talking, but thank you so much for coming along with me on this ride. I will be having rides that I'll be posting in the future. Daytime, nighttime, different locations, camping, that sort of thing. So have a fantastic rest of your day. And if you like this video and would like to see more, please hit the little thumbs up and subscribe so you'll get my future videos